Cleaning, organizing, and styling, my biggest thrift haul yet. This is going to take at least a week. I'm gonna start with the larger items first. So first we're gonna do all of these pillows, and while these are in the washer, I'm gonna get started on the larger rug. I've got this, let's go. We're gonna take them all out of their little things. These two rugs are very similar in color to all of the pillow covers, so I'm gonna throw these in as well. And double check for any stains. I didn't see any, but just to be sure. I still can't believe that I found this rug for only $7. Look how big it is. It is the perfect size for the dining room. But before I can start enjoying it, it needs to be cleaned. So first we're gonna do some vacuuming. Luckily there aren't any stains, it's just a lot of matted dirt. And the problem is parts of this rug are raised where the design is, so this might take a couple of times before I can get it really clean. I'm cleaning this rug in sections, and I love that I can tell exactly where I have cleaned and where I haven't. After letting this dry overnight, before I move it, I'd like to mop this floor just so that it's going on a really nice and clean area. And since my husband wasn't home, I had to be a little bit creative with moving this all by myself. So I got the table onto the rug, and then I just pushed the table with the rug underneath to get it in the perfect spot. Once I had the table and the rug exactly where I wanted it, it was time to put all of the chairs back. But first, Lola needed some attention. She has been a very good manager of this project. This dining room is huge, and before it just felt very cold and uninviting. This rug adds so much warmth and texture, and it really ties the whole room together. This table lamp was a little flip from the Goodwill bins, but the only lampshade that I could find at the time was just way too small for that base. I was really excited when I spotted these larger lampshades at the bins because I have been looking for months, and so far I was not having any luck. Luckily, I found a shade that was not only the perfect size, but also the perfect color. We are in the office area. My husband got this really cool lamp for free. I'm not a huge fan of the lampshades, but we are gonna switch it out with this one. Hopefully it's not too big. This shade is definitely far too large for this lamp base. So I think what I will do is take the shade that was on the living room lamp. I think that will be a much better fit. Now that the pillowcases are washed, those are going in the dryer, and next I'm going to wash all of the inserts. I'm starting to run out of room in this dining room, but I could not turn this down. I just think that this is such a cool piece, and because it only weighs 3 pounds, it was 69 cents a pound, which made it $2.07. I got quite a few Christmas items at the bins the other day, but all of these bins are full, so I'm gonna have to start a new one. Once Christmas rolls around, I will definitely organize all of the decor a lot better, but for now I'm just gonna put this all in this bin because I know that I'm gonna end up adding to it as the months go on. I washed this bottle really quick, and now I have the perfect spot for it. I recently sold the little item that I had on this shelf, so I think that this little bottle will make a nice replacement. Pillow inserts are done cleaning, so now we are going to put them in the dryer. I have a bin for all of my gift wrapping stuff, so I think that would be a good spot for the ribbon and that roll of cellophane. I found this beautiful brand new canvas tote. It's originally from the World Market, and I have a whole bin of things that I think would make great gifts for people so that I am never without a gift. So I'm going to put this in there. I got a lot of pillows on this last bins trip. I think this is the most pillows I have ever found in one trip. So it took me a few days to get them all nice and clean, but they turned out beautifully. The colors match my living room perfectly, and they're all really nice quality. Next time I find any pillows that I like, I might just take the cases since I have a lot of inserts. I also found some of these blue pillows and this blue and white patterned pillow. I'm doing a little reading area for the girls in my dining room, and I have a lot more blue and white in my dining room, so I thought that these would be perfect for that space. My daughter found both of these Christmas blow-ups. They basically look brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and plug them in and see if they work. And if they do, she wants to donate them to our church. They did a huge Christmas event where they had all of these fun blow-ups. So hopefully they work. Oh, it works. It works. It's so cute too. Isn't it cute? So this one didn't come with this, but I'm sure I can find a replacement. This is from the other one. So we'll test this out, see if it even works. Huh? You can see it wants to, but there's no like on switch. It's weird, it's moving. It's making noise, but it's just a very little bit of air that is going in. You can see it's very slowly. I fixed it! I found a video on YouTube about how to fix it because the light was lighting up, but this wasn't moving very fast. So I had to unplug it and basically stick like a knife in, get it moving. Look at it, worked! I was ready to give up. I'm glad I didn't. I told you it would probably take me at least a week to get everything put away. So this is just part one of cleaning, organizing, and styling my huge thrift haul. So be on the lookout for part two of my thrift haul and then a part two of this series as well. If you liked this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll thrift you later.